It is suitable for almost all types of cars. Let's get started with the backup camera. This is an AHD 720p and 1080p reverse camera. The visual angle of this camera is 170 degrees. It is with RCA connect. Before cutting off the white line, the camera is AHD 1280 by 720p 25 pfs. After cutting off the white line, it is AHD 1920 by 1080p 25 pfs. If your display can't support AHD 1080p resolution, don't cut the white line. Connect the power cable with the power line of the rear lamp. You can connect the 6mm RCA extension video cable with the reverse camera and display or car radio. Included camera wiring manual.